Hi guys, welcome back. I am going to pull the winner for my secret giveaway. Did I say giveaway? Yes. I had a secret giveaway on my last video. It was called Lots of New Goodies. Did you say mermaids? It was my birthday, so I thought I'd sneak in a little giveaway there. So I asked you to guess how old I was in the comments. And if you did that, you would be entered into the giveaway. So I wrote down everybody that guessed a number. And I was surprised, maybe only like 2 people were kind of close. But I was happy to see everybody thought I was a lot younger than I really am. I'll take that. So my age is 46. I just turned 46. So, yeah. But I want to tell you guys, thank you for participating, and I'm gonna cut these all up, put them in here, and then we'll pull a winner, and then I'll share the new Trinity stamps release. So we've got lots of fun goodies in the shop. I also have the LDRS in the shop and some new Darcy's, so make sure you check that out. I'm gonna fast forward the cutting. So I want to say thank you for all the birthday wishes. I did read all your comments. I really enjoyed reading them. Okay, so I'm going to stick my hand in here and won't be able to see. And I am just going around and around, mixing it up. Okay, so the one lucky winner is going to win a $10 gift code. And you can pair that up with the code Jamie for 10% off your order. It's only going to work with the code Jamie. Okay, I have one here. This will be the lucky winner. And the winner is Diana Sanner. She guessed 25. Bless you, girl. Okay, so what I'm going to do is share the Trinity stamps release. But Diana, leave a message on this video and then contact me through my website. And I will get your code to you. So speaking of birthdays, Trinity is celebrating their 2nd year. So there are some birthday or celebration themed items in here. We have some nice stencils. So this is a layered balloon stencil, and this is a 2-piece stencil. We've got the layered confetti, which this is a really nice stencil. This looks really, really pretty when you put that thick glittery paste, and it is a 2-piece stencil. And then we've got the 2-piece waving hello stencil, which are like waves, so really pretty for your underwater scenes. And then we've got a 3x4 stamp set. This one says, "This calls for a serious celebration." And then the coordinating die. So we've got the banner and a shadow that I will cut out. It also has the dies for the words. So celebration, and then we've got the serious with the shadow and it's time for a. So you could use the stamp with or without the die, it looks like. And then there's some stars. There's some great dies in this release. This one, I am loving this one. So it is a summertime sips. So it's one of those either Frappuccino to-go cups or a tea, what do you call it? Boble? A boble tea, boble tea. So this is one of those boble tea holders or Frappuccino holders. And so you could have the ice cubes and the boba tea or the whipped cream on top, and then there's a a bubble lid, and then your regular lid, and then a straw. I like the straw. It has those little grooves, so it kind of looks real. Then we've got some new Slimline dies. We've got lift the flap, so you get a frame, and then you can add these with or without this frame. And then you just open the flap and reveal something underneath. I'm thinking that would be great for a gift card. That looks like it might fit a gift card. This one's really pretty. It is called the Foliage Frame. You get some extra little flowers and leaves in the center there that you cut away from this frame. There's stitching around it. Really, really pretty. These two have to do with slimlines. So this one is the Celebration Borders. Now you can see they're very long, so perfect to fit on your slimline cards. Confetti, little rickrack, happy birthday to you. This little swirly piping. This is just a border. It's kind of wonky. And then dripping icing. This is dripping icing. And then we've got a scalloped with some circles pierced in the middle, and then candles. And then this is from an older release. This is the envelope builder. It's back in stock. It does come with some extra words: friend, hello, and then the outline. It comes with the envelope builder and this piece as a slimline die panel. Then we have some bigger size stamps. This is the larger set, 4x8, and this is called Let's Celebrate. So we've got the little crab with the shell, a little fish blowing a little horn. There's party hats and balloons. This guy especially looks like he'll be holding a bunch of balloons. And then him too, this little octopus. You can have all the balloons on his little arms. There's a cupcake, little presents, a cup of water. I think that's a cup of water. And then we've got the coordinating die. And the die will cut out the sentiments for you as well. Keeping on with the theme, this is Just Keep Swimming, and then there's these great little bubbles, and you can color this in. I'm thinking about coloring this like an ombre with different color blues, and then putting the glossy accents on the bubbles. And then this smaller stamp set here is the Summertime Sentiments. We've got all kinds of sentiments in here. Sending sweet summertime sips, aloha, starfish wishes, and salty kisses. If you need me, call me on my shell phone. The closest I've gotten to a tropical vacation is making you this card. I love that one. Your smile is my sunshine. Sending more happy mail. Shell yeah. We need a vacation, and I'm your biggest fan. So I love that set. Now these three go together. So this is the Best Wishes stamp set. So you get this great cake with the best wishes inside. There's some confettis, a candle, and this is the coordinating die that cuts out all these pieces. Now this is an extra add-on die that has the Best Wishes thinner, so you can use these as a shadow. And then these pieces here turn your cake into an interactive cake. I think it's this side creates something where you can pull up and have something popping out of your cake, and then or I think it's this one, and then this one is the one where you lift the flap open and reveal what's underneath. This one's called You Lift Me Up. It's got the two cutie bears with the balloons. Thanks for the lift. I've got you. We rise by lifting others, and you're not alone. There's a couple of gnome stamps. We've got Just for You and Make a Wish. And then there's coordinating dies for those as well. The dies do cut out the sentiments. And then this one is a flower set. It's called Waffle Flower. Pretty flowers, and the coordinating die for that. Next up is shark bait. So we got a cute scuba diver, a shark, a submarine, and then there's some people here that you can have showing out of the window here. And then we've got some coral and rocks. The sentiments read, hope to see you soon. Hey chum, let's do lunch. Card shark, that bites. Sub one is missing you. And then there's a lot of pieces in this die. Obviously it's going to cut out everything that you see there. And then we've got the stacking balloons, which is called Bunch of Balloons. It also does come with confetti and the strings. So I hope you enjoyed this release. I'll have the link down below to the Trinity section in the shop. And thanks guys for stopping by, and I'll talk to you real soon. Bye guys.